Amcor plc AMCR stock analysis. AMCR has shown moderate volatility with a general downward bias over the past 3 months. Starting at 9.44 on May 16, it reached a high of 10.00 on July 10 before declining to 8.76 by August 14. The stock experienced a sharp drop on August 14, falling from 9.47 to 8.76 on heavy volume, indicating strong selling pressure. The overall trend appears to be weakening, with lower highs and lower lows forming since July. Price volume analysis reveals the most significant volume occurred on June 20 with 124.1 million shares, coinciding with a price drop from 9.11 to 8.97. August 14 also saw high volume with 93.1 million shares during the sharp decline to 8.76. Recent price action shows increasing volume on down days, suggesting accelerating distribution. The current price of 8.76 is near the low end of the 3-month range, indicating bearish momentum. Moving averages show the current price of 8.76 is trading below all key moving averages. Short-term averages include SMA 5 at 9.56, EMA 5 at 9.42, SMA 10 at 9.49, and EMA 10 at 9.49. Medium-term averages show SMA 20 at 9.55, EMA 20 at 9.51, SMA 50 at 9.42, and EMA 50 at 9.47. Long-term averages include SMA 100 at 9.36, SMA 200 at 9.69, and EMA 200 at 9.72. This configuration confirms a strong bearish trend across all time frames. Technical indicators by group show momentum indicators with MACD at -001, MACD signal at 003, MACD histogram at -004, and momentum 10 at -059, indicating negative momentum. Overbought oversold indicators include RSI 14 at 33.53, Williams A14 at -82.07, MFI 14 at 38.50, Stochastic K15 at 68.17, and Stochastic RSI at 0.00, approaching oversold territory. Volatility indicators show Bollinger Bands with upper at 10.05, middle at 9.55, lower at 9.05, and ATR 14 at 0.26. Trend indicators include ADX 14 at 18.39, Aroon up at 0.0, Aroon down at 100.0, and Aroon oscillator at -7.14, indicating a strongly bearish trend. Volume indicators show VWAP at 9.56, Chaikin oscillator at 6.4 million, and OBV at -685, 6 million, showing weak volume support during the decline. Linear regression analysis shows a clear downward trend over the past 3 months. The slope is negative, with the stock consistently making lower highs and lower lows. The regression line currently sits around 9.20, well above the current price, indicating persistent bearish pressure. For the next trading day opening forecast, given the sharp decline on August 14 and bearish technical setup, the next opening is likely to be around 8.70 to 8.75. The TSF indicator at 9.48 suggests potential for a bounce, but the strong momentum down makes a lower opening more probable. Resistance and support analysis identifies key resistance levels at 9.00, 9.24, and 9.47, while key support levels are at 8.50, 8.20, and 7.90. Current price at 8.76 is 0.24 below nearest resistance and 0.26 above nearest support. The proximity to support after a sharp decline suggests potential for a short-term bounce. Intraday ATR base projections with ATR at 0.26 suggest a projected high of 9.02 and projected low of 8.50. This indicates a potential intraday range of 8.50 to 9.02, with the most probable movement between 8.60 and 8.90. Possible scenarios include a bullish scenario where oversold conditions and positive Chaikin oscillator could trigger a bounce toward 9.00 resistance, with a break above 9.24 signaling trend reversal. A bearish scenario could see failure to hold 8.50 support leading to a test of 8.20 and potentially 7.90, favored by strong Aroon down signal and negative OBV. A neutral scenario of consolidation between 850 and 900 as the market digests the recent decline is supported by weak ADX, suggesting this may be more likely than a strong directional move. In conclusion, AMCR is in a clear downtrend with strong bearish momentum confirmed by price action below all moving averages and negative technical indicators. While oversold conditions suggest potential for a short-term bounce, the overall technical picture remains negative. Traders should be cautious of counter-trend rallies, with resistance at 900 and 924 providing key levels to watch. A sustained break below 850 would confirm continuation of the downtrend. Given the significant distribution, negative OBV, any bounces should be viewed as selling opportunities unless there's a clear reversal pattern.